Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get a new user on your Temu account on the same phone. So once you're on your Temu app, go onto this middle option here, New, and then go to Settings. And then on Settings, you can either press Sign Out or Switch Accounts. I'm just going to press Switch Accounts. And here you can have a couple accounts, maybe up to 5 or 10 if you don't get confused. But if you want to add a new account, just press the button here and then just in your details, and then you'll have another user on your Temu account. If you want to be more advanced about it, some phones have a feature to do dual apps. So it's the same app, but it's another instance. So it's like, for example, it's just two different apps with two different data with two different memory. If you want to do that, you can do that if your phone have dual apps, but I just recommend switching accounts from the Temu app itself to save you from of the hassle.